Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Now the topic is 7 formulas in similar triangles. So we called the formulas 7 hills, right? 7 hills formulas. So these are very important formulas. So for competitive exams, yes, observe carefully. So in a right angle triangle ABC, see. This is right angle triangle ABC. ABC is right angle triangle at B, and BD perpendicular to AC, right? In triangle ABC, or in right angle triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and BD perpendicular to AC. So BD perpendicular to AC. So here angle BDA 90, angle BDC 90. Okay? Yes. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degrees and BD perpendicular to AC. Then what we conclude? 7 formulas, right? Total 7 formulas are there. So in any right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degrees, BD perpendicular to AC, then the 7 formulas. So let me explain one by one. Okay? So in this, BD divides it into other 2 triangles. The 2 are small triangles, which are ADB first triangle and BDC. So I have to draw separate ADB. ADB. Here angle BD is 90 degrees and BDC. BDC. Angle B 90 degrees, right? So let me explain one by one. The first formula, observe carefully. So first of all, compare these 2 triangles and these 2 triangles and these 2 triangles. So first take these 2 triangles, ABC and ADB. Observe carefully. In both triangles, angle A is angle A, common vertex and a common angle, right? Angle B 90, angle D also 90. By AA similarity, the 2 triangles are similar, right? Triangle ABC and the next triangle ADB. In both triangles, so angle A is equal to angle A common. Next to angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. So by AA similarity, these 2 triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Right? These 2 are similar. Okay? Say 1. These 2 similar. Similarly, these 2 also similar. Because angle C, common angle, and angle B 90, angle D also 90 degrees. These 2 also similar. Similarly, triangle ABC is similar to BDC. Is similar to triangle BDC. Say it is 2. See, from 1 and 2, ABC is similar to ADB and ABC is similar to BDC. So ABC is similar to both triangles. Okay? From 1 and 2, we get ADB. ABC is similar to ADB and ABC is similar to BDC. So here ABC is common. ABC is similar to both triangles. So these 2 also similar by transitive law. From 1 and 2, triangle ADB is similar to BDC. Triangle BDC. It is third one. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Okay. So from 1, 2, 3. From 1, 2, 3. The three triangles are similar. Okay. So ABC is similar to ADB is similar to BDC. Okay. So finally we conclude that the three triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC, right? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Okay, the three triangles are similar. So this is the first formula. Okay, so the first formula is, so what is that? The first formula, the three triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. So the first one, okay, right? So in 7 formulas, the first formula is completed. Now second formula. So in a triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC, then ABC is similar to ADB is similar to BDC, right? So go for next two. So first formula is completed. First is completed. Next go for second formula. So what is second? So we know very well these three are similar. So by taking these two, see, since triangle ABC is similar to ADB, is similar to triangle ADB. Therefore, these two triangles are similar, look like the same shape. So their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. So ABC is similar to ADB, then AB by AD, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. AB by AD and BC by DB is equal to BC by DB, that is equal to AC by AB, AC by AB, right? So in this by taking first and last, these two ఈ రెండు తీసుకుంటాయి, AB into AB square means if AB by AD is equal to AC by AB, that implies, now cross multiply AB into AB square, AB square is equal to AB into AB square is equal to AD into AC, AD into AC, AD into AC, right? So it is a second formula. Observe carefully. AB square is equal to AD into AC, right? So that is the second one. It is a second formula. The second formula is AB square is equal to AD into AC, AD into AC. That is the second formula. Okay. So by taking these two we get the second formula. The third one is by taking these two, AB by AD is equal to BC by DB. So if by taking these two, AB by AD is equal to BC by DB, that implies Now cross multiply AB into BD. DB can be written as BD. AB into BD. AB into BD. AB into BD is equal to AB into BD is equal to AD into BC. So AD into BC. AD into BC. It is a third formula, right? So the third formula is AB into BD. AB into BD. AB into BD is equal to AD into BC. AD into BC. Right? So three formulas completed. Now by taking these two, the fourth one, if BC by DB equal to AC by AB, if BC by DB is equal to AC by AB, that implies, now cross multiply AB into BC. AB into BC. See, AB into BC equal to AC into BD. AC into BD, right? See, AB into BC. AB into BC. Product of perpendicular sides is equal to AC into BD. AC into BD, right? That is a fourth formula. AB into BC equal to AB into BC is equal to AC into BD. Right? That is a fourth one. Okay? So in this we get a total 4. Now 5, 6, 7. So now fifth one. So by taking these two, we get all. Okay. Next, by taking these two. So since ABC is similar to BDC, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC, so therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. Means AB by BD is equal to AB by BD is equal to, corresponding sides are in proportion. AB by BD is equal to BC by DC. BC by DC, that is equal to AC by BC. AC by BC, right? So by taking these two, if BC by DC is equal to AC by BC, that implies, now cross multiply BC into BC, BC square is equal to AC into DC, AC into CD, AC into DC, right? BC square is equal to, observe carefully, BC square is equal to AC into DC, right? That is a fifth formula. BC square is equal to fifth one. BC square is equal to AC into DC. AC into DC, right? That is a fifth one. By taking these two, we get that. Okay. Next, by taking these two, AB by BD, BC by DC. By taking these two, that is the sixth one. If AB by BD AB by BD is equal to BC by DC. That implies, see, AB into DC, cross multiplying AB into DC. AB into DC is equal to AB into DC is equal to BD into BC. BD into BC, right? It is a sixth formula. The sixth formula is AB into DC or CD. AB into CD. AB into CD can be written as BD into BC or BC into BD. BC into BD, right? That is the sixth one. Okay. So total we got the sixth. The last is seventh one. By taking these two triangles as similar, right? These two similar, then these two also similar. Since ADB is similar to BDC, since triangle ADB is similar to BDC, therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. So AD by BD is equal to DB by DC is equal to AB by BC, right? See, yes, by taking these two equalities, we get a seventh formula. So BD into, by cross multiplying, BD into BD square is equal to AD into DC, right? So that is the seventh formula. BD square is equal to seventh one. BD square is equal to AD into DC. So these are seven formulas. So these seven formulas called as seven hills, right? So these are very, very important formulas. Once again, observe carefully. The first one, in triangle ABC. So once again, listen here. In triangle ABC, angle B 90 degrees and BD is perpendicular to AC. So then we assume the formulas. The first one is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. See, ABC, next triangle ADB. Observe carefully. E is similar to triangle BDC. Like three, ADB, BDC. See, ADB, BDC. The three triangles are similar to each other. The first one. The second one is AB square is equal to AD into AC. AB square, the first perpendicular side, AB square equal to AD into AC, right? Next one, next other perpendicular side, BC square is equal to same, BC square is equal to AC into DC or CD into CA. BC square is equal to BC square. See, AB square is equal to AD into AC. BC square equal to CD into CA. But numbers are different. And the fourth one is BD square is equal to AD into CD. BD square is equal to AD into CD. The next one, product of perpendicular sides, AB into BC is equal to BD into AC. BD into AC. The sixth one. AB into BD is equal to AB into BD. See, AB into BD, right mark. AB into BD is equal to AB into BD is equal to AB into BD is equal to AD into BC. AD into BC. AD into BC. AD into BC. Next, this right mark completed. Next right mark, AB into CD. AB into, sorry, BC into BD. BC into BD or BD BC. BD BC is equal to BD into BC is equal to BD into BC is equal to CD into AB. CD into AB or AB into CD. Right? These are 7 formulas, but numbers are different. Here it is the second one, but third one is different. But I wrote in order. Okay. So once again, listen. The three triangles are similar. The first one, next to AB square equal to AD into AC. Next to BC square equal to CD into CA. Next to BD square equal to AD into CD. Right? I wrote in order. Okay. Yes. So these are 7 formulas. By using these 7 formulas, we can find, we can solve the problems depend on right angle triangle. Okay.